Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Handaki video se thagatpada khara kuina changre comments ta mi ngai buai hainarame adagi sorry. But here we go. So I've been a bit busy. Ado 2 weeks today da tauba myam do tapna video din nam hawe dina share tawzake. Koi first siki se aina walking chapda thengnaba kaubilane. Kaubila se thainagi akhoi yumdasu haurame soroki kakjingaida aduna yam fond memories laye kaubila gi kaya ugidre imphal manungda di kaubila se uchek mayam maku daina utube daina mayam house tawbaneba kaubila se uchek na yam pambani hadaki week de yam ngakna kaubila si su thengnare plus aina jaga amda jogging tawba chatkanda manam yam nusiba manam nami leihaugi manam ni aina kadaida non aidi u macha type ta makharom do ani yenga koi thi aduga mathakta yeng khat kanda leihaugi wa chaw ma haule rami leihau ngata pura satkar manam khunung si je loy swai gi pura area se mai manam sina pura sa samaina kanoda yum da hauba manipur da hauba or manipur da leiba yum da leiba pot se smaina thengnaba se sigi se am nostalgic oibani connection da dum leibani hojik se February ore last month of summer ni khoi gi summer se loisala abani March te di autumn hawani ba adi ujek November October da pop myam su loi chauna re chik khong myam se yam chaw e moi myam se apik panga ta uram bani ba aduga laising zu magi end of life to yausale e maru ta ba haure pambi myam se season change to ba haure thambal ke kal oina kuidarak pa oe thamjet su kangsale e thamjet se am janing ne do chabri ade hek pe ade saisa To be honest, I di summer se am pame, swagi mi se am pame, nganna se sunrise tawe, aduga yam thengna 8:30 da sunset tawe, aduna everyone mapan da dum lay mi myam se outdoors da, aduga activity to se hele, yam nungai ba summer se, adagi aduna let go taw se nungai te amaron da, but like all things must end, sisu dum loisan ta bani. Aduga new season da welcome taw ta bani. Autumn da namo managa se ngang da na khota na mai phajaba su dum tongana le adagi winter di am nuaite yam na icy wind oy aduga nong ju tai mamzu mamme and days are shorter adune daylight savings su tawraga hojik se 5.5 hours difference labor India ga ado winter changsalak pada di April da pungdo haigat khraga 4.5 hours difference tang layer ani ba adu summer loi be se nungai te har se mapan da exercise taw bu su handara ani walking chapa su handara ani weather da nungai ta banina adagi mi sing so adum pundana khotana natraga matom da chill out taraga lay se sisu handara ani adu lay myam se patringai da amtang ucharake Seasona Manipur da naton jabi so haira kanam tawbani lantana ni aini sam yengba lantana se honeybee yam ille honeybee se biodiversity gi yamna achauba part ama play tawe aduga akhoi loinamak maonda honeybee pik pa se sida leise sida moijaisa akhoi gi survival se depend tawe ado hatopi basu yam lemne mahum thugai bi basu yam lemne nungai te do adu mi munna su khangda ba orangani ado world gi third of kanu se food production se bees se depend tawe adu moisina pollen do pick up tawani flowers dagi sumaina nai se adi atopa flower angkhakta tongani adi pollinate tawdini mo yawdadi pollination do yarodoini adu bee khatang su nate pollinate tawrise bees other pollinators butterflies bats nungdang de active oidana nungdang gi leidaga tawbusna bats na ayambane adagi hummingbird Manipur da su ugra hummingbird se yam pikpa do ne kappaga yam pikpa yam thuna paibane adu moise human activity dagi yamna danger da laibane adagi over the decades yam decline tawbane plus agrochemicals aduga pesticide ke kana su moise adum side effects suffer tawba air pollution su nahan suddenly nungthinda nungsaga isa saraga nonglei nungsit ama tawweba nongga se kanna pajaga khaga aduda sigi laise sigi pambi se pura thom datluramne aduga nongalaga adum hawgatana lerame adu nature dagi learn tangai lesson yam lei pada kanna thom datla ju sige tawju nongalaga adum hawgatpa adudai di lai khara mo moigi season loram dai se mo khara yingminarase mathang jahi da mo unarani hojikidi moi loisala abane Sidagidi summer da hauba panbi summer da satpa myam se loi kengraga autumn gi kangbu muk satkat horani season change ta pada autumn gi flowers amu pura bloom tawdoin adigi sigi u myam ga sina khara na mana kelani khara na mana do pura ngang sangang doin so usually work tagi get off tawba se 5 o'clock 5:30 da mi myam se loinai and then life se amuk atopa life se amuk haudoin work life balance yam importance pinai side mi myam se adai kai da koi ba chatpa adagi hang out tawba se hawani stage da ur se Kuri heritage kano trust kaweba ado aboriginal communities myam lay makhan magi tribe maming do ado Kuri tribe kina bisina ado sida su changure ado aboriginal gi di ai tongana video se moi gi am kup na aduga they deserve their own video so I'll do that later adu nga sigidi happer right adu si like me am ga se paning su history gi ke ka moi mam le adu moi artwork ka se me am exhibit taraga le adu aboriginal artworks se sumaine circle ka taraga yam detail oi and most focus on nature adu last 2 weeks tagi summer loi salakpa oi bagi Federation Square kawi saisa kaino ma dum taraga le Federation Square makun saisa adu sigisina outdoor cinema ne banunti evening da kape du mayam yeng mami sing na saisa hang out taraga plug oina yeng doine
just close the doors and you're in a world of your own. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's also about how you get there.
Melbourne da summer, especially summer da nungtigi there's always something going on. Nakanama da left side lazu right side lazu amma heta da side lazu kanyam din taw mani ba. Ani mathang da chaba da mula age. Chaba se last 2 weeks I am unhealthy char festivals yam lay ade coffee di am thae obviously coffee di nong da ahum mai rak thae. Coffee is life hai tar Melbourne da di coffee culture su lay. Yam tina seriously da coffee making se art form type da adegi इमानबीगा अदे colleagues का यम चाय हंदकती इतोम द चारे की तंग discipline ओए दो मीगा जामिनार दे obviously sharing के काता होता अदुगा sweets का यम चाय but sweets ता यम फिना sweet ओए दबा पाम है cheese cake type ता अदुगा मोइना सिगी मफम से अनौ बहांग बनी चलो बने Japanese की different cheese cakes how it Japanese cheesecake yam how soft and spongy go Japanese cheesecake se YouTube ta rice sukata yam laina how ya ba ma uram me no ma try tau tar adigi akoi sigi ma pham se su charoi scones ka pistachio cake maninda green and pink amalai se plus chocolate cake kayam how as asaba adigi sigi sina one of my favorite spicy oily body oil but spicy handaki midweek ta yamtina spicy crave tawreba kebab type ne ma taw doine ma si Sichuan cuisine gine ado I itom na zatloi si se and then choose tawre any saning mado lamb pork I choose tawdo adigi chuzak ne adigi chicken gi makan ne adigi some vegetables like eggplant potato basically moina ta ise masala da meat to marinate hana tawani aduga asamaina mapanda inghalaga thammeba and then akoi ni chaning mada pick tawani aduga pick tawdo moina asigi khangda deep fry tawani adu deep fry taw matungda yamna mogi chili gi hwachiao hai ko peppercorn da aduga red chili powder ga mix tawba amkhakta masala da aduda tak ana namsal laga loina ko tawani bam thi hawa khama and then adi mathangda another day saiton ba jabane Sichuan noodles aduga mathangda noodles mathangi nimitu sai spicy am crave taweba last week aduna and mathangda su noodle chai this time Nepalese noodle dudi Manipur gi gaya mane and then the next day I had lunch Mexican wafam khakta aduga mathangda di bakery am khak lei asida is da adudai da jangaga ai akoina apama do khalaga chadene so aina khanba do sandwich type tama manungda prawn gi fritters yawe aduga vegetables kara de amasina chives ado last week se lunar new year taweba lunar new year se Melbourne yam chawna tawe Chinatown hazana lay adagi Chinese immigrants yam kuire ba moi settle tawga lay base so it's a big event aduna adusu yeng ba chatlu yakoi se aduga celebrate tawri colleagues se Chinese yam yawe plus ai friends su lay dragon dance yeng koi aduga moon cake cha base auspicious oeba year of the snake or male handak se the moon cake chare moon cake se basically flour gi biscuit ne manungda kai no hale and then koi mayam pulaga chamina base di hot pot chamina ne inung nungai so we had hot pot adagi kung pao chicken chai adagi spicy Sichuan fried chicken adugumba mayam khar chare how the hawe handak chai mayam Chinese China da su kano lam gi accordingly koi India da su cuisine am mafam ga different cuisine oi se taste manadri se adumaina China da su makhan le ba Sichuan lom gi ne am spicy ga taro ga am hawe ba maitai gi taste bud ka am chana ba oi aduga another aspect summer gi nungai bagi musical China basi kawe moi sing se ado China moi musician sing se asmaina khonga ga moi gi music se mayam da advertise tauba plus CDs yonba adagi asigi guitar hangdo ko thammi se za akoina paisa do tining khoida tari myam se paisa do pi doine thada doine ba mawanda so it's hard work kanu ni ba khot panate saida yam phazana consider taunai and moi sing je kaju macha masu ga nate moi Instagram daga loina laibane adagi following ga su yam laibane da Spotify daga su moi gi sai dum laibane ba ado khar chatlaga dum isai sakpa mi ma'am se adum thengnani mafam da adum all over the city matek moigi sakpham da adum chatla adum lem and then yam interesting oi ba pot pop-up shops ka adum thengnai handaki week ta sigi nupi khakna small picture miniature gamla macha succulents ki adagi terrarium type ta sarga myamna yolamme da yam cute oi sida zo nupi ani khak isai sak lerame
all my favorite colors, yes. Hope that you are having the time of your life. Oh, no, but don't think twice now. That's my only advice. Oh, who do you think you are? Ha, bless your soul. You really think you're in control? I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy, just like me. Oh, my heroes had to hide, lose their lives on a limb. And all I remember is thinking, I want to be like them. Oh, ever since I was little, it looked like fun. It's no coincidence I fall. And I can die when I'm done. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe you're crazy. Maybe we're crazy. Oh, thank you. All my favorite colors, try it on. Sisters and my brothers, see them like no other. All my favorite colors. It's a good day to be.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go.
aina sum ko yeng banda ase mi se akhang ba oi lerame adagi check shirt ta lepisina Julian Ashe kau bane Instagram su yaw bane Melbourne gi yam aphaw historian and social media influencer haitar ade maina kan da zalisina ABC channel gi journalist ni
Everything you touch surely dies. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been hard when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. staring up the ceiling in the dark. Same old empty feeling in your heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. Well, you see it when you fall asleep. You're never to touch and never to keep, 'cause you loved it too much and you dive too deep. Thank you very much. Well, you only need a light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Yeah, you let her go. Yeah, you let her go. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. And only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you
So me
love her
ma'am
when you let her go.
Activities, social, recreational activities adum tawbam kala saida evening and especially weekends adum live music aduda se tawraga adum lay every corner da aduga exhibition khara chatlubane ai. If anyone knows Van Gogh, one of my favorite artists, yamna travel artist ne magi life stories yam interesting oy aduga magi painting so yamna phajai plus magi schizophrenia nabagi progression da aduiduna magi paintings te effect tarapado adusu yam thina interesting oy. So I'll upload that very soon. Nasi ki decide lesson lage. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.